Today I'm going to show you how to scrap Google first result with Derrick. First of all, you will need to download Derrick if you don't have Derrick yet. So how to do this? Quite easy. You can click on the button in this page, or you can go to Google Workspace Marketplace, click on Download Business App in Marketplace, check for Derrick, select Derrick, and download by clicking on the blue button. When you finish to download it, just close this tab, go back to your Google Sheet, and you are ready to go. Next step is to go to Extension, LinkedIn, Email, Phone Finder, and yeah, open sidebar, and then when you will finish to click on this, you will see this sidebar appear here. Then just select the good feature. So we are looking for the first result scraper on Google. So you can do it by looking in this feature, or you can go to Google here and select the search first organic result on Google. You can also use the search bar to find something relative to Google. So this is this feature. Then it's quite easy. You can use data inside your Google Sheet to create a query. For instance, we can do it a query like if we were on Google, you can go for best agency, call Gmail, Paris. We can do it, and then after this one, after this one, and after this one, and after this one, and so on. How we can do this is quite easy. You can go in this side, and you will do @, and then you will see the 3 columns you have here. If I add 4 columns, I will show 4 columns, and now I'll do my query. So my query is the data in the first part, space, the data in the second part, space, the data in the third part, space. And for instance, if I want to find, for instance, all the blog talking about this subject, I will do in URL .blog. When I finish, I just have to click on or preview or search. This is more safe if you are not sure of what you want to do, but you can go on this button if you are ready. When you click on first 5, it will search for only for 5 lines, and it will ignore other lines. As you can see, it will recreate the query. So I put one space, 2 space and not 1 space, sorry. But as you can see, we can find this and see the result here. And this is probably the first result for all of the results for the search LinkedIn. And you have the URL, you have the title, and you have the description. It's very good if you want to use this feature combined to this feature, get website text, but because now I have the URL, I can go to text and use the URL first result to scrap the content inside this. That's all. Hope you will like this feature. If you have any suggestions, feel free to tell me, and hope you will like it. Bye.